Ben here from Port Tack Racks, excited to show off the new and updated ski rack, which is also a combo rack, so it can hold a snowboard if you want it to. We just did the install video, so check that out if you want to see how to put these bad boys on, but otherwise I'll just show you how the ski and snowboard holder works. So you take your skis, throw it into the holder, and then start with the forward rack, just wrap it over, throw it over. This can all be done with your gloves on, so operation in the cold climates is a little more comfortable than you otherwise think. And just throw them in there, throw the straps down, and she's good to go, just like that. So without having to do anything else, I can change to the snowboard setup. And this is new and updated for the first time ever. It was the most popular question we ever got asked, so we finally solved it for you. And here we go. So just throw the snowboard in. Come on around and show how this works. All we do is go over the top now. Sorry. It takes one loop. So you take this loop, you go under, and then through to shorten the length. Again, no tools. Over the top. Give that a few cranks. Same thing on the back. Undo the loop, roll it under just once, go back through, give it a little tug for security. There you go, your ski strap is now a snowboard holder. Now, we do still offer a snowboard holder on the website, and that is because the disadvantage of this one is that you do have to reach inside to do and undo your snowboard holder, unlike the regular snowboard holder, which is operated on the outside. So if you had gas or other stuff in here, it's a little less convenient than our straight up snowboard holder, but as a combo, definitely get the job done, and now you got a ski holder and a snowboard holder all in one.